Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. My name is Said Kasser Mahmood and you are watching my channel Basics of Python. What this channel is about, the Python programming. Well, obviously starting from the basics, and those people who do not have any prior experience or knowledge, do not know even the ABC of Python language, do not worry. We are gonna start from the very scratch. I'll be dealing with all kinds of basic things that are necessary for knowing or even understanding the Python language. Parallelly, I'll be developing a blog where I'll be putting the resources which I cannot put here on the YouTube channel, as in the sense that whenever you'll do the tutorials, you have to go through the stuff parallelly in order to practice those tutorials and get to know the language better. Until then, I develop the blog. You will find a lot of stuff and resources on the internet. It's a big place, so just stay tuned until the new videos or tutorials come along. This is an introductory video of this channel, and I wish that you like this or you are very much interested in this, and hope to see you soon. Enjoy.